Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Mannich reaction. Reaction of formaldehyde, secondary amine and any carbonyl compound in the presence of an acid as catalyst to form beta aminoketones is called Mannich reaction. Formaldehyde is used because it has no ionizable hydrogen to avoid self-condensation. Primary amines and ammonia can also be used in place of secondary amine, but product formed reacts further till all the hydrogens consumed up. Third component in this reaction is enolizable carbonyl compound, may be aldehydes, ketones, phenols, nitriles, nitro compounds, alkynes and beta ketoesters and acids. Journal reaction for this Mannich reaction is this component is the carbonyl component, this is formaldehyde and this is secondary amine. This proton will act as catalyst. It will give rise to R2, C double bond O, CH, R1, CH2, N, R3, R4. This is the portion from carbonyl compound, this is from formaldehyde and this is from secondary amine. Mechanism for this reaction is formaldehyde first reacts with proton to give HC double bond OH plus H. Oxygen will have a positive charge. Now this amine lone pair from the amine will act as at this carbon atom, and double bond from carbon and oxygen is shifted on oxygen, neutralizing the positive charge. So we have COH and R1, R2 and nitrogen have a plus charge. This plus charge is compensated by removing proton from here, and this oxygen will accept this proton, making oxygen positively charged. Now this lone pair is shifted between carbon and nitrogen, and water is removed from here, leaving this molecule. Again nitrogen have a positive charge. Shift this double bond on nitrogen, so we have an electron deficient center here. Now third component is the carbonyl component. With acid it will be protonated as and producing electron rich center at this carbon atom. Now electron deficient center this one, and electron rich center, this is nucleophile, will act with each other, react with each other, producing this compound. This whole compound will have its counter ions, that is plus sign, because this reaction is in the presence of acid and recovered at the end, so acid will act as a catalyst here. Now reaction, for example, take an example of this methyl furane, 2-methyl furane. Formaldehyde react with proton to produce this center, and formaldehyde and secondary amine will give this one, and the sextet of this furane lone pair will shift it between this carbon and oxygen, this one here and this here. Then react this negative charge or electron rich center on this electron deficient center, producing this compound. Now shift the proton here, here and on this, again recovering the aromatic sextet here. Applications of this Mannich reaction are formation of alpha-beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, replacement of amino group, alkaloid synthesis, and local anesthetic synthesis. Examples: formaldehyde plus proton will produce this. This for protonated formaldehyde reacts with secondary amine to produce electron deficient center. Here furane with 2-methyl furane will react producing this compound, or proton is shifted to recover the aromatic sextet. Applications: formation of alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds है, second replacement of amino acids है, थर्ड अल्कोलाइड सिंथेसिस है। फोर्थ लोकल सिंथेटिक एनेस्थेटिक सिंथेसिस है। रिमेनिंग reactions in detail will be discussed later, and thank you.